Piece nuggets is 640.
640. Is it possible to get 6 of them?
Yes.
Yeah, can I have 6 of them, please?
Are you sure?
Yeah, positive. Well, go on, brethren, it's your boy Jack Spencer, ready for another one. I'm weighing exactly 80 kg right now. How are we all doing today? It's a lovely day outside. You can't really see because of my blinds, but it's so nice outside today. It's going to be a good one. I know it's going to be a good one because I'm going to eat 100 chicken nuggets. Let me know in the comment section right now if you think I'm going to get it or if I'm going to fail. Just let me know. Don't go cheating. Just let me know what you think. But yeah, I'm feeling good. It's a Monday morning. I'm off work for 3 days. I have a food challenge coming up. Gonna go hit the gym with Skinny Steve in about an hour and a half. And that's the plan. Then you know we going to McDonald's. You know we're gonna get these nuggets. So I'll speak to you then. So, gym's done. Just done that. Now we're going to go to McDonald's and get this shit on. What are you gonna order?
6 nuggets.
I'm gonna get 100. I'm excited as fuck. I'm kind of scared as well because the more I think about 100 nuggets, it's a fair quantity of nuggets. Can I have 120 nuggets, please? Here we are, boy. We're gonna get loaded nuggets. This is a scary thing. 30 euro on fucking nuggets. You mad fam. Don't know why I'm so nervous about ordering Steve wants 20 nuggets as well, so I have to order 120 chicken nuggets. And I want to make sure we get all the dips as well, man. Man needs them dips, you know. But that's how close we are to ordering all these nuggets. Oh fuck, we're next up. We're next up.
Anytime, I'll gang so.
We're next up, lads.
I hate this.
Can I have 120 nuggets, please? And a heap dips. Oh. Here we go, guys. How much is a 20-piece nuggets?
They didn't ask us yet.
Oh. Shit. Okay, I said it too early.
No, sorry, 20-piece nuggets is 640.
640. Is it possible to get 6 of them?
Yes.
Yeah, can I have 6 of them, please?
Are you sure?
Yeah, positive.
6 20 nuggets.
Yeah.
Any sauce?
Yeah, how many come with them?
Well, you have 24 sauces to choose from.
24 sauces. Can I just get half curry and half barbecue?
Okay, so 12 curry.
Yeah.
12 barbecue.
Yep, and
anything else?
Just the chocolate milkshake, please.
No problem. Just sit next to him.
Perfect. Cheers.
Thank you.
Reasonable. Why was she laughing at me when I ordered the nuggets, man? This is a genuine order. Everyone's just looking at us. They're all like, who are these cunts ordering 120 nuggets? Found a new spot for the camera, so it's okay. It's just on the dashboard. Are you ready to see us eat some nuggets? Are you sure you want that many nuggets? Did I stutter? Oh, we just spent over 40 euro on fucking nuggets and a chocolate milkshake. I'm sorry, McDonald's. We need to go to the parking bay because for some reason our nuggets aren't ready. So we have to wait till I can make them. I don't know. Either way, have an adrenaline rush after ordering chicken nuggets.
Right, got it, yeah. Thank you.
Lovely, cheers, thanks. Give me them nuggies. We got the nuggets. Chicken nugget harder than me, fam. Man's on a new hype, Uno. Did you laugh? Or did you lose? Well, let's get home. We're nearly home. Hurry, Ozzy. Alright, we gotta get Oz out of his cage. Here we go, boy. And you can't eat any of the nuggets because I have to have 100, but you can come chill. Hey!
Baby, I'm a bad boy. I might hurt you. I need a therapist and a perk too. I need cash flow. You fuck with fat hoes. I ain't got no drugs, I'm turning to an asshole. On the stove cooking eggs, need a new pan. She a pro with the head, she don't use hands. I need hundreds in the sky and a blue tan. You ain't on the Fendi tree, who is you fan? I'll be itching for the pat, I'm a dope fan.
So, just gonna try on some PewDiePie. Let's get to eating these nuggets, man. Let's get it! Alright, cool. Nugget 1.
Welcome to Hawaii, the
Ah,
brand
good.
new original show that we're done.
Right, what time is it actually? Should look at the time. It's 12 minutes past 3 right now. I don't know when we started, it's only been like a minute.
Fam squads.
Number 2.
More it better. I'm alive. Okay. Alright, we're fine. We're fine.
Why does it start again? Like,
Why?
why didn't I just do a fucking 20 chicken nugget challenge?
I was thinking playing it.
Halfway there.
Fucking damn it.
2 more boxes. I'm going to put them in the oven to keep them warm because I don't want to eat cold nuggets.
Sure.
Whoa!
40.
My name is true! I'm a big kitty! Come here!
Ah! man's been defeated by the 100 Chicken McNugget challenge. I'll eat the rest later though. I'll eat the rest later. So, the challenge is not successful. I honestly didn't know what I was going to get. 70 nuggets. It doesn't seem like that much, but I'm in pain now. No, you know, you gotta leave a like and subscribe for the absolute pain I'm in. That was nearly 40 minutes of nugget eating. It slowed down very quickly after the first 15 minutes. All the calories came to about 3,250 in the end. Man, I feel full. My stomach is in bits. I'm gonna lie down for like half an hour and then see what happens next. I ain't gonna spend too much time talking. Basically I feel fine again now. It's the morning. I had my breakfast as normal. Only weighed up half a kilo heavier. Went to sleep fine last night. Laura came over, we just chilled out. But yeah, the challenge was fun. It was fun. I'm gonna leave this video here. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you really liked it, share. It helps me a lot right now. But look, till the next one, talk to you soon.